Right, so let's start. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our class. Okay, so today we're going to study all about materials. Okay, this is the new unit for the semester, right? And we have here at least 3 topics. But for today, we'll be focusing on the first one, which is about polymers. Okay, now let us have this one a vocabulary game first. I have here 3 words before we start with uh, this topic. All right, so let's have this. What word is on the screen? Okay, you can type on the chat box or you can turn your mic on. It's up to you. Okay, so the first 3 letters are P, L, and E. Okay, the definition here is it is a chemical substance with large molecule. Okay, a chemical substance with large molecules. Very easy to Asia. Okay, how about the other students? It's a large chemical substance with a large molecules. All right. Next letter we have letter here. Okay, other students aside from Asia, Chertam, cartoon. Okay. Chertam, 3 students. Another letter here we have. Okay. Gift, okay, also has an answer. But other students, 2 more letters. Asia, cartoon, Chertam, gift, that's correct. And also, that's correct. And oath, all right. How about the other students? You can participate. Okay. Yes, direct message, please, my child, to everyone. Everybody can see your answer. They will just copy your answer, just a direct message. Okay, so Biu, Napat are already they already saw the answer. Okay, so this is, you are correct, this is a polymer. Okay, so a chemical substance with large molecule, that is correct. Okay, next one, for the next word, please direct message, my child, to everyone. Okay, everybody can see your answer. Okay, next word we have this one. Okay, what's the word? Number 2, it is a smaller and simpler molecule that forms the basic unit of polymer. All right, Asia. Asia is very fast, very quick, and this is very easy to Asia. All right, so the next letter we have here M, N, and E. Next letter is your answer with S, gift, and toilet. Okay, with S. Next letter, no S, toilet and gift. Third time, all right. Cartoon, that is correct. What's the next letter? Napat, cartoon. Okay, so I have the same students who are participating. Other students, just like the same time when we had our game, some students are not participating, right? Pim, all right. Look, all right. Fluke here has an answer. Pim, Omsin, all right. So that is correct. Okay, so this one is called a monomer, a smaller and simpler molecule that forms the basic unit for polymer. Okay, next, Omsin, my chai to everyone. Okay, just direct message. Okay, next letter, next word. Okay, next word is this one. Okay, so we have the letters S and E and I. Okay, it means man-made or like man-made polymer. Okay, what does it mean? Man-made. What's the other word for man-made? Okay, man-made. For example, man-made polymer. Okay, S, N, E, and I. Okay, let's have the second letter. Okay, second letter is, where is that? Here, okay. What's the word? S, N? All right. and tualek. Correct. Okay. But said it's for everyone. Everybody can see. Everybody can see your answer. Okay. Cartoon. Okay. So the next letter is T. Yes, Chad, that is correct. Asia. Polymer. Man-made polymer. Okay. Or blank polymer. Opel. Chertam also has an answer. And then Moss. Cam has no answer. Cam is not answering. Okay. Shall I mark Cam absent today? I want to see the answer of Cam. You are not answering Cam. Shall I mark Cam absent, everyone? Cam is not answering. Noon, spell. How do you spell that noon?
Noon ไหนอะ
Noon misspelled.
พระจันทร์เหรอ
Cam, what's your answer, Cam? I will wait for your answer. Cam.
อะไรอ่ะ
What word is this? It means man-made. Man-made. Okay. What's your answer? No, alaiwa, Cam.
ดิเชอร์ wait for me แป๊บนึง
Yes, I will wait for you. If you don't answer, I will mark you absent.
เอ้ย อะไรวะ
Oh, noon. Noon, your spelling is wrong. Noon.
ดิเชอร์
T. What? Next letter.
ดิเชอร์ I know ดิเชอร์ I know
Yeah, just type your answer. Type your answer. Cam.
อ่าน
Noon.
ไม่ออกอ่ะ
Noon. What's the next letter? Noon. May chai. T-I. Noon. Cam, where's your answer, Cam?
ใจเย็นกำลังพิมพ์
Where's your answer? Asia is sleeping already. Asia is sleeping already, Cam. All right. No more answer? Chertam, Opel, Moss, Kaot, Cartoon, Napat, Gift.
เห็นยัง
Oh, Cam, where's your answer? Cam. All right. Okay. Noon. Oh, noon. Still. Why is this? All right. So noon, the next letter, noon. That is correct, Cam. Noon, the next letter is Y. And the last one is C, synthetic. All right. Synthetic. When we say synthetic, it means man-made. All right. Synthetic. Okay. So thank you so much. Okay, so for participating dead inside, what's that? Noon. Okay, still sleepy. All right. Okay, so thank you so much for participating. All right. So why did I ask you to guess that letters? This is because we'll be focusing on that topic. Okay, so for today's lesson, we'll be focusing on the types of polymers. Okay, just the types of polymers. Okay. Okay, so by the way, in today's topic, we'll define what a polymer is, and then we're going to identify the different types of polymer. Right, so let's start. For the first one, what is a polymer? Okay, Tawan, hello Tawan, can you turn your mic on, please? What is a polymer, Tawan? Hello, Tawan. Tawan absent. Next, Kaot. Hello, Kaot, number 7. Kaot.
Yeah, teacher. No, teacher. I'm here, teacher. No, absent, teacher.
Later, I will call you later. Next, Kaot. Okay. Kaot, what is a polymer? Polymer. What is a polymer, Kaot?
Polymer is a chemical substance with large molecule made from multiple of smaller and simpler chemical unit called monomer. Bond together in long repeating chains.
Repeating chains. All right. Thank you so much, All right, so a polymer is a chemical substance, okay, a chemical substance. Now, if you're going to look at the atomic level of a chemical substance, this is how they look like, okay? This is a large molecules, okay, large long chain of molecules such as this one. Okay, and this one is made from smaller, okay, smaller, simpler chemical unit. Okay, and we call this single, smaller, simpler unit as monomer. Okay, monomer. And now, when this monomer are joined together or bonded together, by a bond called covalent bond, okay, they join together such as this one, for example, join with another one. There's a chemical covalent bond between them, and they form a long repeating chain. Okay, this one is now called a polymer. Okay, now the process in which monomer join together by covalent bond is called polymerization. Right, this is called polymerization. Again, what is polymerization? This is a process in which monomer join together by covalent bond to form a polymer. Okay, let's say when they join together to form polymer is called polymerization. Okay, get na? Like this one. This one is a polymerization process. Okay, we start from monomers, okay, and they join together to form a polymer chain. Okay, so this process is called polymerization. It starts from simple polymer and monomer. It starts from simple monomer and then form a bond called covalent bond to form polymer. Okay, this process again is called polymerization. Okay, polymerization. Next, there are different types of polymers. Okay, there are different types of polymer, and they can be classified into three basic ways. Okay, so there are three basic ways. The first one is called the origin of the materials. Okay, what do you mean by this? When we say origin of materials, it means what are these materials made of? What are they made from? Right? And number two is the kind of monomers they are made of. Okay, they can also be classified based on the kind of monomers they are made of. And number three, based on the structures of polymers. And today, I'm going to tell you at least three basic structures of polymers. Okay, there's another structure like link polymer, but we will just focus on the three basic structure, okay, which I will tell you later. Okay, so let's study this one by one. The first one is origin of materials, number two, monomers, and number three, structures of polymers. Okay, let's start with number one, origin of materials. Now, polymers can occur naturally and can also be synthesized by chemical process. Okay, now we have here two words, naturally and synthesize. Okay, can you differentiate between natural and synthesize? Do you know what does that mean, natural and synthesize? A gift, hello gift. What is the difference between natural and synthesize? Gift. Natural and synthesize. What is the difference between that? When we say that a polymer is naturally occurring and a polymer is synthesized, what does that mean? Natural and synthesized. Gift. Do you have any idea? How about others?
Natural is from natural nature. Synthesize, I think, is for man-made.
Man-made. All right, that is correct. Okay, natural. It's like from the word nature. All right, it's from nature. It's just there naturally. Right. Thank you so much, Gift, for that idea. And synthesize, man-made. Okay, so it means that polymers okay, polymers can occur naturally. It means that you can find some polymers naturally, okay, in nature or inside the body or the cells of organisms. And also you can find or you can make, okay, you can synthesize by chemical process, okay, you can synthesize polymer by chemical process either in the laboratory or in the factories, inside the factory, okay, where plastics, rubbers, fibers are made, okay, inside the factory or inside the laboratories, right? So the first one, let us have natural polymers, okay, natural polymers. What are the examples of natural polymers? We have, for examples, we have here starch, glycogen, and cellulose, right? So these are examples of natural polymers. Okay, so first we have starch and glycogen. These are form of sugars. Okay, starch is a natural polymer that is made up of hundreds of glucose. Okay, the same thing with how a polymer obtained from latex of rubber tree, right? Similar to that. And whereas glycogen is also a polysaccharide of glucose. Okay, these are form of sugar. Okay, starch and glycogen. But cellulose is a natural linear polymer composed of glucose unit. Okay, it is generally synthesized by, what do you think, plant or animal? Cellulose. Starch and glycogen. What about cellulose? It's generally synthesized by plants, okay? Plants. It forms the outer layer of plants, right? That is natural. These are all natural polymers, okay? Now, these natural polymers are obtained by chemical processes, okay? Inside the cells of organisms, both plant and animals, and are stored in their bodies, inside the cells of their bodies, okay? Now, aside from this natural polymers inside the cells of organisms, we have this one. I think this is very common here in Thailand. Okay, what do you call this? This is a para rubber latex. Okay, para rubber latex. Okay, this is made from para rubber tree. Okay, para rubber tree. What provinces do you have here? Do you have this para rubber tree plantation here in Thailand? Do you know where they planted here in Thailand? What provinces? Um,
Sáu ạ, in
wait,
sáu ạ.
South, in South. All right, in South. Okay, in the South provinces. But I can also see some plantation when I go to the east, like in Trat, Rayong, what else? Chantaburi, right? There also have, but I think you are correct. More of them are in the south, okay, are in the south of southern part of Thailand. Okay, so these are also natural polymers. Okay, these are also natural polymers because they are taken from or derived from the this one. Okay, derived from inside. Okay, from the latex of the tree. Okay, and therefore it is not made from the laboratory, so therefore this is a natural polymer. Okay, now I think there are still more natural polymer, but this is just common. Okay, now there are a lot of this in the internet if you want to look for the name of them. Okay, so this is just common. Another one, aside from natural polymer, we also have synthetic or man-made polymer. Okay, how about this? Do you know what are they made from? These three items here, pictures here on the screen. Do you know what are they made from? Number one, what do you think are they made from? Number two and number three. Do you know this kind of polymers? Do you have any idea? Do you have any idea? Is Cheer here now? Cheer, hello, Cheer, are you here now? Cheer is absent today. Okay. I have 29 students. Noon, are you here now? Noon? I think Noon and Cheer, but I have 29 students. Okay, so these are examples of man-made or synthetic polymers, which are synthesized or made either in the laboratory or in the factories. Okay, so we have the first one, plastics, right? Plastics, synthetic rubbers, such as this one, synthetic rubber, and synthetic fibers. Okay, do you know how they are made from, or what they are made from? Plastic, synthetic rubbers, and synthetic fibers. They are the byproducts of petroleum refinery. Okay, they are from fuels. Okay, like when the factory or gas refinery made take the gas, and the other product is a synthetic polymers. Okay, and from that they made products such as plastic, synthetic fibers, and rubbers. Right, so this is just a byproducts of petroleum refinery and natural gas separation. Okay, such as with the other products like ethylene, styrene, propylene, PVC, or vinyl chloride, I mean. Okay, so these are just some of the examples of synthetic polymers. Okay, so number one, that's number one. Okay, the origin of the materials, meaning what they are made from. Either they are naturally occurring, or either they are synthetic or man-made. Okay, so that's the first one. Number two is monomers. Okay, monomers based on the kind of monomer they are made from. Okay, now polymers can be made of more than one type of monomers. Okay, more than one type of monomers. We have here two types of polymers. Okay, polymers which consist of a single type of monomer. Okay, like as you can see on the illustration here, single type of monomer, they are called homopolymer. Okay, homo means one. Okay, and then polymer, which are formed by more than one type of monomers, are called copolymers. Okay, as you can see here, there are yellow and pink. Homopolymer only one. Okay, one type, one color, but copolymers more than one type. Okay, again, the difference is that homopolymer made of only one type, a copolymer made of more than one type. Okay, homopolymer and copolymer, right? So these are the different types of um, monomers, right? Example, let me give you some examples, okay, of a polymer which consists of a single type of monomer, okay, called homopolymer. For example, ethylene monomer, okay, the ethylene monomer, when this combined, okay, single, okay, only one type of monomer called, let's say, for example, ethylene monomer. Okay, when this ethylene monomer formed a polymer, they're called polyethylene homopolymer. Okay, poly means many, and then ethylene is a monomer. Okay, ethylene is the name of the monomer, and then poly, it means many monomer. Okay, many monomer. Polyethylene homopolymer. Okay, homo means only one type. Okay, homo means only one type. All right, so we call that as homopolymer. Okay, example of polyethylene. Okay, polyethylene homopolymer. That's one. Okay, polyethylene is made up of ethylene monomers. Okay, ethylene monomers. Okay, example, this one is a plastic food wrap. Okay, plastic food wrap is a polyethylene, right, made from ethylene monomer. Okay, so that is homopolymer. Next one, copolymer. Okay, what is copolymer? Okay, now when I say copolymers, these are made from more than one type of monomer. Okay, one type of monomer. Okay, so protein, for examples, are made up of different amino acid monomers. Okay, they are made from different types of amino acid. There are, I think, if I'm not mistaken, 18 kinds of amino acids. 18, if I'm not mistaken, 18 type of amino acids. So this protein are made from different types of amino acids. Okay, I have here, for example, amino acid monomer. Okay, this is just one type. Okay, when you combine this, okay, you combine this a lot of different types of amino acid monomer, they form protein. Okay, and therefore they are called copolymer. Okay, that is number 2. All right, and the third one is called, this one is based on the structure, right? Based on the structure. Now, for the structure polymers, as I've told you, we're going to study at least 3, all right? 3 basic structure. What are those? What are the 3 basic structure? Where is Por? Hello, Por, number 5.
Hello, hello.
Okay, what are the 3 basic structures of polymer? Can you tell me, please, Por? 3 basic structure of polymer.
อะไรนะทีเชอร์อะไรนะทีเชอร์ไม่ได้ยินนะเสียงมันเบาอ่ะ
What are the 3 basic structures of polymer?
แป๊บหนึ่งนะแป๊บหนึ่งlet me think ก่อนแป๊บเดียว
No need to think.
แป๊บเดียว 1 minute
1 minute, okay. Who can help? Thank you, Por. Who can help, Por? How about Noon? Noon is not here. Cartoon or Opel? Hello, Opel. Can you help, Por? Opel? Hello, Opel. Oh, what's wrong with Opel now? How about Namtan? Hello, Namtan. Or Nat? Hello, Nat. Natanicha. Nat. Oh, I don't have students na. Fluke, number 1. Fluke, are you still here? Fluke.
Teacher, I'm here.
Okay, Fluke, what are the 3 basic structures of polymer?
Linear polymer, branch polymer, cross-link polymer.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so these are the 3 basic structures of polymer, right? So linear, branch, and cross-link. Okay, so this is how they look like, the 3 types, okay, of polymers. Linear, branch, and cross polymer, right? Linear, branch, and cross polymer. Okay, so what do they mean? But how do we differentiate them? Okay, so for linear polymers, these are long straight chain of monomers. Okay, these are very late na cheer. Okay, so a linear polymer is a very long straight chain of monomers. Okay, very long chain of okay, it's okay, cheer. Sorry. Okay, so that is the first one. Another one is a branch polymer. Okay, when I say branch polymer, it looks like linear polymer with branches. Okay, it's similar to linear polymer, but there are branches. Okay, linear, but there are branches. Okay, and the third one is cross-link. Okay, cross-link. It has a small chains linking from one another. Okay, linear, and there is a link from another chain. Okay, and it looks like a ladder. Okay, it looks like a ladder. Okay, that is cross-link polymer. Okay, now let us have some examples of this 3 types of polymers. Okay, so the first one is linear polymer. What are the examples? Are you familiar with this one? There are at least, what are these 3 types of linear polymers, which I will tell you today. So the first one here is called polyvinyl chloride, or PVC. right? Now this PVC or polyvinyl chloride, you see them from water pipes, okay? The third one is high density polyethylene or HDPE. Like for example here, a chemical container. What else? This one, shampoo bottles. What else? Do we know the bottle of your lotion, powder? Okay, they are called high density polyethylene. Okay, they are linear polymers. Okay, which means that they are thick. Okay, thick plastic. Another one is polystyrene, okay, or PS. Okay, polystyrene here is another example of linear polymer. Okay, another one is um, a branch polymer. This one, an example is the opposite of high density because this one is low density polyethylene. Okay, also a polyethylene but low density. Okay, characteristics of this is it's a thin plastic like this one, thin. Okay, thin plastic bag or the thin plastic food wrap, right? Okay, so this is these are example of branch polymers. Next one here, we have this one, cross-link polymer. Okay, cross-link polymer example, we have melamine formaldehyde. Okay, like plywood and particle board adhesive, laminated countertops and tabletops, dishwasher safe tableware, and automotive surface coatings. So these are example of cross-link polymer. All right. Okay. So these are the three types of structures. Okay. Three types of structure of polymers.